Ramadan, a month of spiritual significance and profound reflection for millions around the world, stands as a beacon of faith and unity in the Islamic calendar. As the ninth lunar month, it heralds a period of fasting, prayer, and deep contemplation, guiding Muslims on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. From the break of dawn to the setting sun, Muslims abstain from food, drink, and worldly distractions, immersing themselves in acts of worship and seeking closeness to the divine. Yet Ramadan is more than mere abstinence. It's a transformative experience, instilling values of self-discipline, empathy, and charity. It cultivates a sense of communal solidarity, fostering bonds of brotherhood and sisterhood that transcend borders and differences. Through fasting and prayer, Muslims deepen their connection to their faith and their fellow human beings, finding solace in shared rituals and collective devotion. Let's embark on a journey to explore the profound essence of Ramadan and its enduring impact on the hearts and souls of believers worldwide, illuminating paths of compassion, love, and spiritual enlightenment. May this sacred month inspire us to uphold the values of mercy, generosity, and compassion, spreading peace and goodwill to all humanity, and may it bring us closer to the divine blessings and forgiveness. Ramadan serves as a reminder of our shared humanity and the importance of empathy and kindness towards one another, fostering a sense of unity and understanding among diverse communities. A diverse group of Muslims offering greetings and well wishes for a blessed Ramadan and Eid.